How to fix Android phone automatically turning down volume. You may miss important updates when your phone automatically turns down volume. So if you are facing the same issue, then do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you must simply reboot or restart your Android phone. A simple restarting your Android phone can fix different kinds of issues on your Android phone. So for that, you need to simply hold on your power button and then you will get the option to restart. You simply need to hold on the slider and slide towards upward to restart or reboot your Android phone. Once you have done that, your Android phone automatically turning down issue will be fixed. If not, you just have to check your smartphone case. So if you are so if your phone is wearing a smartphone case, you need to check if the case design is not interfering with the volume buttons on the device. If it is, then you have to simply change your phone cases. The third thing you need to check is the hardware damages. Sometimes accidentally you might have dropped your phone and then it might cause the hardware damages. If it is, then you need to visit the nearby service center to fix it. Understanding the sound profile. The first step is you have to understand your sound profile. You might have changed or set your sound profile and then turn the volume down, which might cause the Android phone automatically turning down volume issue. So to check it and understand the sound profile, go ahead and open the settings on your device and then tap on sound and vibration. Here is all the list of media, ringtone, notification and alarm. You can simply turn it on and then fix the issue by understanding the sound profile. If none of the above fixes work for you, then at the last you have to update your Android. Sometimes not updating your Android phone will also causes this kind of issues. For that, go to the settings page and then search for update. Now on this section, you will see the option of software update. Simply open it and if you see any update, you have to update your Android phone. Since I have up-to-date version, so I don't need to do it. So by following all the steps, your Android phone automatically turning down volume will be fixed. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.